Stafford High School students have lots of choices in selecting classes that match their ambitions. And there are school clubs to further those interests. One club in particular is hotter than the others. This is a welding class at Stafford High. The students here are not just taking a class to fill a schedule, they are focused on a future.
Obviously, we're a learning shop, so I want these kids to learn how to figure out angles, welding processes, how to prep metal, how to do all these things that involve welding, from estimating metal, drawing prints, to everything. The truth of the matter is there's many processes, and we only cover 3 of the very basic processes. There's hundreds of processes of welding, and we only cover 3 in this class. They got to experience all the MIG aspects of welding. But with that is the fabrication part, and that's all the cutting of angles, figuring stuff out, project estimating as far as how long is it going to take me to make this. And I make them do that before the project starts because it can be quite humbling to them. They'll go, oh, I can finish this in 5 minutes, and it takes them 4 days. So it makes them a better welder.
Learning those processes enables students to build this smoker.
It was for the superintendent of the school. He funded us to build a barbecue pit. He found an old barbecue pit, and all we salvaged was the pipe itself. And we cleaned it and we remodeled it basically.
It took about 3 to 4 months, I think, dealing with all the brakes and stuff we had.
They entered the grill in the welding category of a Skills USA competition.
It's a place where these students get to come together and compete against each other, and there's opportunities for scholarships for them, there's opportunities for winning prizes, all kinds of nice prizes just for joining into Skills.
Then the judges decided which one looked the best, which one was more organized, which one was more planned out, and based off of that, they graded us.
We got recognized at the school board for winning the contest, getting first, best in show.
The judges gave the stuff to our teacher, Mr. Crow, and Mr. Crow had told us we got first place. We did good, and we were all happy and stuff.
This was district down here, District 9, and so now we'll go to state, and they'll compete against everybody in the state.
So, 4 welding students placed first in a competition on their first try.
A good student is anybody that's willing to try something. So, and somebody that just doesn't want to quit. You know, there's a lot of things out here that people perceive as being real easy to do, and it's not. As long as you're not a quit, you don't want to quit all the time, you'll be successful.
I like burning metal together, fusing it together, and I like making things.
I like it very much, and I hope one day I can turn it into a career.
Yes, it's definitely something I would do for a living.
Later, at the state level, the team again scored a win.
We went to a state competition last week in Corpus Christi, and they took superior in the project range that we were in, which was small pit. So we scored 99 out of 100, so almost can't do better than that.
For these students, things are coming together thanks to welding. For Spartan Spotlight, I'm John Woods.